Hello everyone, my name is Chetano, and today we are going to solve the problem of the week. This time the problem comes from the International Mathematical Olympiad National Selection Test in Malaysia. Okay, so what is the question? The question is, the digit sum of 2020 is 4. How many 4-digit integers, including 2020, have digit sum equal to 4? And we have some extra question here. How many 5-digit integers that have digit sum equals to 5? So let us focus on the 4 digits first. So first, let us see. We have 4 equals to 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. In this case, we know that only one 4-digit integers that can be made with these 4 different digits, which is 400. One integer. So we put 1 lah. 1. We also know that it can be expressed into 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. So from here, what we can do is that since we have 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, we can see that for the first digit, we cannot put 0 in front. It's a limitation. So what we can do, we have two choices to choose between 3 and 1. So we have two choices. And then the remaining, we have 3 factorial, meaning that we have 3 for the second slot, we have 3. For the third slot, we have 2. For the last slot, we have only 1 choice. Okay. However, I simplify this to become 3 factorial. However, we have repetitions, which is the 2 zeros. So we need to divide 2 by 2 factorial. So we have 2 times 3 factorial divided by 2, we get 6. Now for the second one. How about 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0? Now we have 3 choices for the first part. And then we 3 choices, means we can only choose 2, 1 or 1. And then after that we have 3 factorials. But then we have repetitions, so we divide it by 2. And now 3 times 3 factorial divided by 2 equals to 9. Okay, so that is another one. And then we also have 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0. For this one, same as well. 2 for the first slot times remaining 3 for the other slot, but this time we have 2 repetitions, 2 pairs of repeated digits. So we need to divide it by 2 factorial and divide it again by another 2 factorial. So here we have the total number of possible digits is 3. Okay. And last but not least, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. The only possible way to do this is just 1, 1, 1, 1. And this is 1. So now we already have our answer, which is we just total all the integers that we have and put it here. So 1 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1 equals to 20. So this is the answer for our original question. Now for the extra question. How many 5-digit integers that have their digit sum equals to 5? This is trickier. So let's bring it on the right side. So we have 5. So 5 equals to 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. This is common. Also we have 5 equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This both of these equals to 2. We have 5,000, 50,000 and 11,111. Now for the fun part. It can also be expressed into 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. For this one, we have two choices, times 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial repetitions. And then we'll calculate one of these afterwards, but we'll just lay down all the cases that we have. Next, we have 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. This one we have three choices this time, times 4 factorial over, you have two pairs of repeated digits, so divide by 2 factorial times 2 factorial. And then we also have 3 times 2, 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0, 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Same goes with the 4 plus 1. So this is the same, 2 plus times 4 factorial over 3 factorial. Okay, 2 for the first choice, 4 for the remaining 4 slots, and 3 for the repetitions. And then what now? So let's see. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. This one we have 4 choice. 4 choice plus times 4 factorial over 3 factorial because we have repetitions. Okay, 4 choice times 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. What more? Okay, we can have 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. For this one, we have only 3 choice times 4 factorial over 2 times 2 factorial. This is the same as 31100. And what more? What more can we do? So we have 5000, 41000, 31100, 32000, 21110, 21110, and 22100. We have how many forms that we can have? This much. Okay. So we already have that. So now let us compute each one of these. So let us just make this thing smaller. So 2 times 4 factorial over 3 factorial is basically 2 times 4, which is equals to 8. The next one, 3 times 4 factorial over 2 times 2 is basically 3 times 3 factorial, which is 18. Okay, the next one, since this is the same as the 4 plus 1, so we have 8 here, and 4 factorial times 4 factorial over 3 factorial. So for this one, we have 4 choices. It's not the same as the 4, 1, and 3, 2 because we have 4 choices for the first one. So 4 times 4 divided by 3 is 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So this is basically 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals to 16. And then the last one, 3 times 4 factorial over 2 times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. This is basically equals to 18. Okay, so we have 2 plus 8 plus 18 plus 8 plus 16 plus 18. Okay, so what we can do? 2 plus 8 equals to 10. 18 plus 8 equals to 26. 26 plus 16 equals to 42. 42 plus 18 equals to 60. And 60 plus 10 equals to 70. And that is the answer for the extra question that we have. So the first one is 20. The second one is 70. So that is the end of our, let me just bring this here. So that is the end of our video. Okay, if you like it and you want to give some comments, please like this video, leave some comments on your way of solving this question, and don't forget to subscribe to me and hit the notification bell so that you can get frequent updates from me. from time to time. With that, I see you all in the next video. Chetano out. Bye bye.